Why is Europe afraid of the new Russian submarine drones? Russia has developed an entire family of unmanned underwater vehicles, which are officially designed for civilian and scientific use. Despite this, Moscow's enemies fear that its new submarine drones are actually intended to undertake more dangerous missions. In more detail, the Russian defense company Rubin Design Bureau continues to work on an impressive family of unmanned underwater vehicles, including the drones Argus-D, Argus-I, and Octavia. As mentioned earlier, officially, the company promotes these systems as tools for civilian and scientific uses. European and Ukrainian military experts and commentators are of course quite suspicious. They themselves are concerned that Moscow will exploit the progress made by its domestic defense industry in the field of unmanned systems for military purposes. It is obvious that these underwater vehicles also have an important secondary role, targeting underwater cables. For example, they could easily and very effectively be used to sabotage underwater pipelines or to mine the seabed, wrote a Ukrainian commentator citing expert analyses. It seems that Octavia, an unmanned platform designed to carry smaller underwater drones to the seabed, is under the scrutiny of Western analysts. Octavia is a very interesting creation. It can anchor itself and remain on the seabed for extended periods of time, while it also has the ability to carry and charge 2 drones. Another member of the Russian unmanned underwater vehicle family is the underwater drone Argus-1. It is a reconnaissance platform which is equipped with various sensors for detecting leaks in pipelines. The Argus-I will operate alongside the larger Argus-D, which will serve as a transport vehicle. This platform can carry a maximum payload of 300 kilograms and place it on the seafloor. This is what Europeans fear could be used for mining the seafloor. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.